Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. Today, I'm going to unbox my Boxycharm. This is June's, just the base box. I think it actually shipped FedEx, which is different. Like straight FedEx normally ends up at my post office, and then it gets shipped to me. Anyway, I believe this weighed 1.1 pounds. I had gotten a credit that I used in this month's pop-ups for $12 because they said I was going to get a repeat item. But they didn't tell me what the repeat item is. But anyway, this is what I chose. I know there's like a couple new things, and then you could get the Benefit Professional again. And I chose to get the hydrating Benefit Professional because I was wanting to try this one rather than the matte one. Because I tried the matte one a long time ago. I don't know. I don't need it a whole lot except on my nose, like any kind of like matte thing, and then I just needed to control the oil on my nose. But I wanted to try the hydration one. It still says it minimizes pores, skin looks hydrated and healthy, makeup glides on. This has hyaluronic acid, which is good, and shea butter, which is good. So yeah, I wanted to try this, and this is full size, 0.75 ounces, because apparently Benefit's different and doesn't want to do a full ounce product. Next up, I've got from Beauty Value Circadian Lip Liner Trio. As it says cruelty-free product, but I don't see any carmine in the ingredients, so that's kind of cool. I don't use lip liners, so I don't like, unless I know it's going to feather. And then usually I won't use a lipstick that's going to feather. So got like a brownie nude, a true kind of nude, like kind of the one I'm wearing, and then a reddish nude, which I mean they're nice if you wear them a lot. You'll probably wear them instead of lipstick. They probably last longer if they're like a creamy formula. Yeah, they'd be creamy formula. So that one's really a red. Yeah, that one's like a more peachy nude than that. Looks like a little bit more deeper. I'll probably messed that all up. It's fine. And it's not like I won't ever use them. Maybe, but I doubt it. Because that lip liners just aren't my thing. Like the only formula that I ever noticed really feather on me is usually like NYX liquid suede. Some of those can. And I've even gotten to the point where I don't even wear them anymore. I used to love them, and I still will, but it's just like, I don't know. I guess I got more favorites than that now, so it's like, I have formulas that don't do that pretty much in all those shades. Next up, I got from Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is Sweet Sticks Glossy Lip Color. It's cruelty-free. We created a glossy lipstick that enhances your natural lip color and nourishes too with a pop of color that's pretty and protective. Doesn't contain carmine. It's not vegan because I see beeswax in here. And lanolin, which is like made from sheep's wool. Castor seed oils up there. You got some waxes, you got some flavor, but then you got like shea butter, cocoa butter, blueberry, hibiscus, chamomilla, sunflower oil. It's in the shade Better Half. I should have waited on my lipstick. Forgot I had this. You want to know, I used this that I got from Ipsy Plus last month. The Sugar Rush and Sprinkle from Tarte. Oh, it's a big old crown. Okay, that's surprising. It's actually really close to that color. It doesn't look pink, so. Okay. Oh, it's actually not bad. It's like, it is very glossy and pink. It's almost sheer. It's like a sheer wash, but a little bit more. It's actually kind of nice. Like, you just want like a good color. It does have a vanilla scent, so it went on really smoothly, so that's nice. Like, a lot of these crowns, some of these crowns from certain companies are like dry. But I don't think I got this exact one. This is from Touch and Soul. This is the Glassy Skin Balm. I remember getting a balm moisturizer from them, but I don't think it said glassy. Maybe I'm wrong, but I thought it was like a purple one that I used. I remember that. There's hyaluronic acid and raspberry ketone. Unless it's like, I don't think it's in my moisturizers that I haven't used. But maybe I did get this before and this is what they were talking about. But I don't think so. I mean, because I remember my Touch and Soul, I swear it was purple. Like, I want to say it was like a filter one or something like that. Maybe I'm making it up. I don't know. That's what it looks like. It has a nice scent to it. Not overly scented or anything like that. Just a little light kind of scent to it. It's cool. It looks different than what I had before. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it was this exact product. But hey, give me $12 credit since I still have not gotten something from the pop-up shop last month. And they haven't refunded me. Like, they refunded me for the hand sanitizer I ordered. But I have not heard hide nor hair from the freaking, like, curling one I ordered. Last thing up, and I guess Touch and Soul's popular brand in this month, is the Touch and Soul Philip Orange. I did not get this, and I'm not going to mess with it right now because I forgot to look at, I meant to look up the ingredients, I'm sorry. I love the packaging. The packaging is awesome, but when you open it up, it does have like a little mirror, but these are your colors. The only thing that kind of, this is not very orangey. It's like a salmon-y kind of orange. Like, it leans like more towards the pinky salmon color. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but it's really not that orange. This one is like a pressed glitter, and yeah, that's your pop-in color. These two are almost identical. I don't know why you have two of the same exact color. That's a matte, and it's close to these two. These are like satiny sheens. Now, however, it is like they knocked off the packaging basically from MAC, but all the ones that look like in MAC are like kind of crappy. That's a shimmer. That's pretty. Thing is, it's very boring. If you're gonna call something Philip Orange, you can't just stick one pressed orange glitter. Like, a matte needs to be orange. There needs to be a couple like orange, like a shimmer orange as well. This could seem to be a little orangey. I do agree with the brown in there. You don't probably need that big of a, maybe you need that big of a white, but you need another pop of orange, and you don't need these two that are so close together, unless that's meant to be like a cheek highlight, but still. Or maybe it's supposed to be a blush, I'm not sure. But it's still really close to that. Even if it's meant to be a blush, it could be used as a highlighter, and then that one would, or as a blush or whatever, that one needs to be changed. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, this is a Korean brand, right? Okay, if you don't know a lot about Korean makeup, it's very, very natural, very like youthful glow kind of thing. Like, not overly done, not even as done as I am now. Like, just a hint of color on the cheeks. Very like matte skin, all one color, and then like very like neutral. You can't go based on their like pop bands. It's like very slight eye makeup, not a whole lot. So yeah, I get that from their aesthetic, but I don't know. Except for that, it's really a boring palette for me. Kind of boring. So it's an okay box. It's not the greatest box. At least they did put some. They put this in it, like around that palette to protect it. You know, if you like your box, I guess. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.